Concept Mathematics. Today's topic is palindrome numbers. So what are palindrome numbers? So palindrome numbers are numbers which can be read forward and backward in the same way. Palindrome numbers. For example, 1, 2, 1. So if you read it from left to right also it is 1 to 1, and if you read from right to left also it is 1 to 1. So these are palindrome numbers. For example, the next can be 2, 3, 3, 2. Again it's the same way, you can read it both ways. So even if you started from here it would be 2, 3, 3, 2. So palindrome numbers are numbers which can be read backward and forward. Backward and forward there are same number of digits, same type of digits which appear again and again, which appear in the same form, that are called palindromic numbers. Now we would move ahead to know whether how to make a number a palindromic number. So how to make any number palindromic number. Suppose we take the number 92. So what you have to do in this 92, now you would reverse the number and write it as 29. And now when you add this number, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 carry over, 9 plus 2 is 11 and 1 is 2. So this becomes a palindromic number. So if you want to read it, so the example that I gave you before is 1 to 1 can be read from left to right the same way and left to right also the same way, right? So this has become a palindromic number. Now the second example is 4, 5, 6. So the second example is 4, 5, 6. Now we add this number in the reverse form, that is 6, 5, 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 1 is 11. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 1 is 11. So this has not become a palindromic number, right? So in order to bring it to a palindromic number, we again reverse the number till the time we get the palindromic number. So now we write 0, 1, 1, 1. Now we add it, so it is 1, 1, 1, 1. So now this is a palindromic number. So we have got the palindromic number. So this number is a palindromic number. Now, so in this case, if you are not getting a palindromic number, we again reverse the number and we again add it to see whether it is a palindromic number or no. Now with the third example, the number is 2551. Now I reverse the number and I write 1552. Now we will try this and see whether it is a palindromic number or not. So 3, 5 plus 5 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10 and 1 is 11, 2, 3 and 4. So this is also not a palindromic number. So we again reverse the number and we add it. So we start with 3, 0, 1, 4. Now we add the number. 4 plus 3 is 7, 1, 1, 7. So now we get the palindromic number. So we have to continue this process of reversing the number and adding it till the time we get a palindromic number. Hope you have understood what are palindromic number and how to make any number a palindromic number. So hope this is clear. Sorry, I made a mistake here. That is 1 plus 1 is, sorry for this mistake. So okay, I need a rubber. Just give me a second. I am not able to erase this part. Okay, so should I erase this part? So eraser, then my eraser comes in the picture. So okay, I just correct this here by writing it 1. This is 1, 2. This is 1, 2, and 2. So this is 1, 2, 2, 1. So this becomes a palindromic number 1, 2, 2, 1. We can read it backward and forward in the same way. And this is 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is also a palindromic number. So hope you are clear with the palindromic number. But thank you so much. Radhe Radhe.